Okay, all right. Kindly welcome to this video tutorial training. So in this video tutorial training, I am going to show you how you can actually send a flash coin, or assuming, for example, assuming you want to sell or you want to sell a Bitcoin, you want to send a Bitcoin to someone. So the process that you need to follow now, you can flash the person and the person will receive the coin in his email and everything. Then for there, the coin now will be reversible. You understand? So in this video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process and how to accumulate this. So if you are just watching my video, please, I want you to click the first subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. So whenever I'm going to post any other video or any other update, you'll be the first person to get notified.
So alright, you come to your browser. So when you are in your browser, the first step that you need to take is to come here and click the website flash19.com. You click. Okay, this is how the surface will go. Have you seen? This is how the surface looks like. So the next step that you need to take, you need to come to these logins. Hope you understand. Because you just need to click here. Have you seen here? Get started. You click on get started. Then it will take you for where you can just put your username, your email, your password, then you confirm. Then after that, this surface now will show. Let me just click this logins now. This surface like this will show. So the first thing that you need to take is you come to here, you click on this flash. Have you seen? This is how to send a fake Bitcoin. So you choose the wallet, you choose the exchange. Sorry, is it Binance, is it provisional, is it gold, is it premium, is it provisional, is it PHG, is it power? Hope you understand. You just is it Bybit? Have you seen Bybit here? So there are so many options that you need to choose here. Is it Luno? Is it Trust Wallet? Hope you understand. Oh, sorry. Hope you understand. So that's how it works. Then from there, as for me, I'll need to go with Binance. Have you seen? I'll click on Binance. Then it will show. Just see what they will do now. It will show that you should put the Binance this thing. This is Binance. So this is Bitcoin. This is quality 0.007. Have you see? That's 0.007 Bitcoin. Then I went and choose the exchange Bitcoin. So and then I put the network fee 0.000.1. Have you seen the network fee? Now I'll now try. Let me go and copy my Binance wallet now. My Binance BTC wallet address. Now I'll now go to my Binance application. Here is my Binance application. Alright, let's just wait to. I'll click on add fund. Is that not so? I'll click on add fund. Then I'll click and choose deposit crypto. I'll choose Bitcoin wallet. Which wallet will I choose here? I need to choose CRC20. Hope you understand. So this is the correct one. So after that, I click on copied. Okay, I have do it. You see, then I will now come to this flash19.com now. I'll put the wallet address there. Have you seen the wallet address? Then put the email there. Here is my email. I'll just put the email there. So have you seen? I've just put the email. Okay, let me put the email. Okay, there is the email. They say send billing message. No, not send billing message. That's not where you click. You go back again. Use continue. Sorry, you click on quality 0.1 Bitcoin. Have you seen? Then I put this thing Bitcoin. Then I put the fee. No, I'll put the fee 0.0008. Then I'll come and put the wallet that I have copied. Then I'll put the receiver email. Have you seen? Then you allow this to be here. Sending billing message. No. Generate receipt. You click on yes. You click on this green button now. This green button here. Send. Once you click, all right. Check. Okay, click on view receipt. Have you seen? Just see. Oh, have you see the amount have been deposited to the person? Then come here, come to the email now. Come to the email, refresh. Have you seen? See something here. Just see something. Have you seen? Here is the wallet stuff. Have you seen that we have withdrawn so details? Have you seen? To the wallet address that they give to us. Then have you see withdraw? Then you see deposit also. Yeah, maybe you see deposit. You will see deposit also. Network is very disturbing. All right, have you seen? Yeah, here is the deposit. The email they have deposit. Have you seen? All these are flash. All these are called flash. This to be sending you flash coin. If you understand, you receive it in your balance. This is just for a video tutorial. So thank you guys for watching this video.